Today's project is should be an easy one. I'm going to be replacing the fuel tank on this unit. It's got a pretty bad ding right there, and I think there's something wrong with the fuel sending unit, so went out and got a new fuel tank for it. There it is. It's been sitting here for quite some time. Those are new brake shoes, brake hose, cylinders, and these here are my Southside machine bar, lift bars rather. So this is what I'm going to be installing. Like I said, it shouldn't be too long, too hard of a project. So I already put the new sending unit on it, so it's already there, grounded off, so it should be fine, I hope. So let's get to work. That was easy. Here goes the other one. That should come out okay. Got some gas in it still. And there it is. There's the old tank. It's probably got like 3 or 4 gallons of gas in it, so I'll just strain it out, start putting that one on. Anyway, I took the straps off. I'm gonna clean them up and paint them. They're not gonna look too good on the new gas tank, so I guess I'll finish this project tomorrow morning when it's not so dark and muggy already. So I'll just clean them up, wire wheel them down, paint them, make it look nice. Yeah, a little paint goes a long way. Let's put this right here, should be fine. Where did I leave the other one? Oh, it's right here. It'll be okay. I'll finish this up tomorrow. Well, it's Saturday morning. Gonna get started on putting the gas tank on. Took out whatever was left of gas, like 2 gallons. It's a cool Saturday morning. Hope it's not gonna rain anymore, but it's about 60 degrees, so it's a little bit on the chilly side, but I'm gonna get this thing done, get it going, that way take it out for a spin, Saturday drive or something. All right, let's get back to work. Right here we go. There's a screw that holds the strap together. That's it. All right. Loosen this up just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay, I got one of the spacers in. That one there. I have to tighten this up slowly. Since these straps are bent, they need to, stretch out, or straighten out rather. That way it'll put enough tension on both sides. But I'm just gonna tighten it up just a little bit, and then come back and forth, and then take this nut off right here, and then put the spacer back on. We should be fine. Okay, one thing I did do is I took off these old, I believe there's part of a breathing system, or part of the evap system on the emissions, but that's still on there. I don't know why it was on there for the longest time. So what I do is I just loop the hose around these two. I don't know if you could see it right there. There we go. That hose right there. Just loop the hose. This is the fuel supply right here. There's another breather that goes to this box up here where the other two lines were connected. So this is just gonna go there. This is just a little breather hose. Probably can't see it because it's dark, but that's all there is to it. And there it is. I added its own ground to it right there. Was gonna run another ground from this side way over here, but this is the breather right here, and this is the fuel supply right here. So we're all installed. We're ready to put gas in it and give it a test drive. Well, the Nova's done. Got some gas in it. The sending unit works. I was gonna put these Southside machine bars on and the new shocks, but I'm tired already. So I'll put those on some other time, next week or so. I've been meaning to put the brake pad or brake shoes and do all the new hardware kit and stuff in there. Gotta get that water out of it. Gotta get that water out of there. But got some more parts in today. Somehow I lost my battery post cleaner. Got some new LED lights for the trailer. These have more LEDs on it, so I'm just gonna replace those. And I bought this wiring kit. It's gonna make it a lot easier to hook up all the wires instead of splicing through wires and join them all together. So this junction box here is actually pretty good. The yellow one here is actually this one here. I don't have electric brakes on my trailer. My trailer has surge brakes, so the yellow one is for backup lights. So might put backup lights on it, just a couple clearance lamps or something just to put on there. Got a fire going there, getting rid of some of the wood from the other trailer. Anyway, those were today's projects. Have a good rest of the week. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Thanks for watching.